Rain. Teardrop sky in a mood of gray, and the hush of tires through puddles whisper about their passing. I float about in my moods as they meander along with the tiny wet footfalls against the window glass. The sort of day that sedates the manic city to a slower stumble. Sidewalks free of pedestrian ambles, while dog walkers pay their rainy day dues for having a pet. I am here in my slow motion wanderings, my thoughts in sync with rhythms I hear, the almost dreamlike ease. A day of strong coffee and a good book. Warm refuge on a soft couch. A bit of the gentle touch of melancholia that comes with remembering. I love the rain.